Okay, let's check out this lanai and the pool deck here. Also, let's check out this area right here. This was pure black. The lady said last time we did it was 2018, and it was bad. So even the front got all done. All the screen, all the tree debris that was hanging up in here. There's a little bit of staining going on here, but we're going to leave some chemical on here to get the stain out. So you can see there's no dirt in the pool, and then it's looking pretty good now, but there's some staining that was going on here, so that's what we have to do to get the stains out. So take all the furniture up so it doesn't get any chemical on the furniture. As you can see here, it's looking pretty good over here, even though it was pure black when we walked in, because these palms here are messing everything up. So it was